Hello, welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to create a EC2 instance or Linux server like Ubuntu, RedHat or any kind of distribution or flavor using your AWS account. I hope after watching this video confidently you are able to launch any kind of Linux server. Let me show you to the system. First of all, let me search something like AWS login. So simply let me click here aws.amazon.com. Okay. So here let me log in, sign into console. If you don't have any account, simply create account, click here. Okay. Let me log in first of all. Okay. So we can log in using root account or IMA account. No problem. Simply let me wait. Maybe some network issue, whatever. Okay, so simply okay, so first of all just I'm copying this one, control C. Okay, so if you want, if you have root account, if you don't have any IMA user account, no problem, simply click here, sign in using root email, root user email. Simply let me click here, and then you can use your root account, no problem. Whatever the root account you have, simply you can type here, right, your root account name, whatever. So let me log in with IMA user, no issue. Okay, let me paste here, let me paste my IMA account number. Okay, you already know how to log in maybe. Okay, then next. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so first of all, if you want, you can use your root account, no problem, or IMA user account, no issues. So what is the IMA username? For example, in my case, Jex, the name is Jex. And what is the password? Let me show you the password also, no problem. Like Jex Software Academy **. Okay, this is the password. Let me sign in. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so we will get our AWS console or AWS dashboard, no problem. So I hope you are observing this is our AWS dashboard, no issues. So some network issue actually, whatever. So simply in the search bar, this is the search bar, right? In the search bar you can search like EC2, whatever the service you want to use, you want to access, simply you can search like EC2, like IAM, whatever, no issues. So let me simply search EC2, right? Okay, so are you observing virtual servers, right, in the cloud? So simply let me click here, or you can right click, open link in new tab, right? Or let me simply click here EC2, nothing more than this, very simple only. Okay, so just a moment, some network issue maybe. Okay, no problem. So are you observing, we get right now, we will get the dashboard. This is our dashboard, EC2 dashboard, right? So are you observing dashboard like events, instance, right, instance type. Okay, I think it needs too much time to explain all the things. I'm not explaining here. If you want me to explain all the things, you can comment, no problem. But now let me explain how to create a EC2 server or Linux server. So simply, for example, let me click here dashboard. Are you observing one option like launch or launch instance? Simply click here, right? Simply click here. Okay, or let me go back, right? Let me go back EC2 simply, or you can come, just a moment, let me go back. Let me show you another thing also. So are you observing here one thing, instance? Simply you can click here instance also, right? Okay, so simply are you observing one thing like launch or launch instance? Simply you can click here, no issues. Simply you can click here. Let me click here. Okay, so are you observing at this moment? Okay, so now let me create, actually let me follow the step. So are you observing right now one thing, name and text? Sir, you can use your any name, no issues, any name you can use. For example, like your RedHat, like your Ubuntu, any name you can use, no problem. Let me use like, okay now, Jack server, like Ubuntu, RedHat, no issues. Just I'm using the name. Okay, Jack server, nothing problem. No problem, no issues. Simply the name, first of all. Now you can use your own name, no problem. Then what is the second point, sir? Okay, are you observing? Okay, application and OS images, right? Okay, let me expand it. Okay, so you can select from here, or if you want you can click here browse more AMIs, right? Okay, so are you observing one thing here also? It is showing all the things, all the instance. For example, if you want to download, or if you want to use like your Mac, like your RedHat, like your SUSE, now anything you can use. Or if you want you can filter here also, free tier, right? We want to use free now. So are you observing here? It is showing free tier eligible, or simply you can filter here. Simply you can check this box. So whatever you want, like Reddit, like your AWS or Amazon Linux, all the things, all the distribution or flavors, the same steps, right? So let me use like your Ubuntu. Are you observing free tier eligible? You will check this point also, right? Free tier eligible or not. Okay. So simply let me select here. Let me just click here, select. Just a moment. Let me wait. Simply you can select. Click here, select. Okay. So are you observing what is the first step? Simply we are using one name. No, whatever the name, no problem. You can use any name. Then we are selecting the images, right? Actually operating system, like you want to use AWS, Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, RedHat, or any version or flavors. Simply we need to select, right? This is the second step. Okay. So simply let me go down. Some network issue actually. Okay. So okay, second step is done, right? Okay, application and OS images. Okay, it is also showing, right? Okay, whatever, leave this one. Okay, if you want you can. Okay, now there is the name Ubuntu server, leave this one. So are you observing your instance type? Instance type. Okay, so what is actually instance type? Leave this one, but I think it needs too much time, whatever, but no problem, I can explain. So are you observing? Yeah, like T3 micro, T3 small, okay, T3 nano, T3 medium, T3 X, T3 to X large now. So just observe where free tier is eligible, right? Otherwise you will generate the bin only. So by default it's selecting free tier eligibles, or simply select here free tier eligible. Okay, this is the third step, right? To select or choose the instance type. Okay, select which one is free tier eligible or not, right? Check is it free tier eligible or not. So first of all, one name, then what, sir? Then simply we are selecting the operating system or OS images, then what? Simply instance type, right? This is the third step. Okay, then one key pair, right? One key pair. If you have already a key pair you can use, otherwise if you already have, no problem, you can create a new key pair. So simply click here, create new key pair, right? Create new key pair. So just give any name. For example, like let me write here Jax. Okay, now any name. So here are you observing like key pair type? If you want you can change anything also, no? But no need to change anything. Like private key file format, if you want you can use .ppk also. Later you can convert ppk to pm, or .pm to ppk, no problem, but no need to change anything. Let me use .pm file. Simply let me click here, one file will be downloaded, right? Create key pair. So you need to save this one. Okay, just let me use one name. Okay, already it's downloaded, right? jax.pm. Are you observing? Okay, so where it is downloaded? Okay, let me go to the download folder, just a moment. So here already it is downloaded, right? Okay, let me copy, right? Let me copy, simply copy, and let me save anywhere. Like there is a folder Jax Software Academy. Let me simply paste here. Simply paste here. Okay, let me save it. Okay, nothing more than this. Whenever we want to log in, this pm file is required, right? So please don't lose this one. Okay, this is our fourth step, right? Like first of all one name, then we are selecting operating system, application and operating system images, then simply the instance type, nothing more than this, then one key pair actually. If you want you can change also, right? If you want network setting, if you want you can change, but no need to change anything. If you want you can change, simply click here edit option, but I think no need to modify or change at this moment. Like there is a BPC, if you want you can create your own BPC, or if you want you can use default here. At this moment we are using default BPC. What is this? No problem right now. If you don't certainly if you don't know the AWS, then maybe you don't know, but ignore. If you want, you can select the subnet. If you don't select, then AWS will choose automatically. If you want, you can select the availability zone, right, from here. But I'm not doing anything. Right? Create security group, or if you have already a security group, you can click here, select existing security group. But I'm not doing this one. I'm just keeping all the things default, right? So that okay, it is easy for you. I'm not changing anything, boss, right? I'm not changing anything from here, right? Is it clear? This second step is clear. I hope second step is also, I hope this step is also clear. I'm not modifying anything. I'm not changing anything. I'm not changing anything network setting. So another point is, okay, if you want, you can expand it also. Simply click here to expand. Okay. Now another point. What is the another point? Configuration storage. If you want, you can increase the storage size also, right? If you want, you can increase, but I'm not increasing the storage size, right? Okay. First of all, I'm not changing anything. Everything I'm keeping default, right? Nothing more than this. If you want, you can change anything from advanced details also, but it is not required for us. So simply four step. First of all, any name you can use, no problem. Later you can change the name also, no problem. Then application and OS images, simply browse here, simply browse more MIs, and you can select and check which one is free tier eligible or not. Then like instance type, right? Okay, nothing more than this. Okay, check free tier eligible or not. Then simply we are creating one keep here, and we are downloading this .pm file. I'm not changing actually anything, whatever. So right now simply, okay, simply click here launch instance, right? Or launch instance. Simply let me click here. Okay, just a moment, wait for launching the instance. So are you observing EC2 server or Linux server is creating? Okay, is being created. Okay, just wait a moment. Okay, depends on your network, right? Okay, successfully initiated now. Okay, launch of instance. Okay, so if you want, you can click here view all instance, or simply go back. Okay, now okay, yeah, click here EC2, or let me go back. Nothing more than this. Are you observing here instance or dashboard or instance? Simply click here instance. Simply click here instance. So right now we already created this server, right? Jack server, right? Yes or no, sir? Okay. So right now, are you observing it is running, right? It is running. Okay, T3 micro status check initializing. Okay, just wait for some times. Are you observing? If you want, you can change everything also, no problem. Okay, and another point, if you want, you can check. Okay, but leave this one. I think no need to make too much complex. Okay, so if you want, you can delete this one also. Simply click here. Okay, click. Okay, just a moment, wait. First of all, select. Okay, select, then simply action. Okay, like instance state, you can click here terminate. Okay, now terminate or delete instance, whatever, no problem. But right now we want to connect actually, right? We want to connect with what? We want to connect, we want to use this EC2 instance. This is our target, right? Let me refresh actually what is happening. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so this is our EC2 instance or EC2 server now. So to connect, first of all, simply select, and are you observing one option like connect? Simply click here connect. Okay, so are you observing EC2 instance content like session manager, like EC2 serial console or SSH client now? Simply click here SSH client. Are you observing one link like SSH? Simply click here, simply click copy, simply copy and go. Okay, in here in this folder or in this directory our pm file is available now. Let me open on Git Bash. Simply open Git Bash here. Simply, I hope you already know how to Git Bash, or I hope in your system Git Bash is available, right? Okay, let me maximize it. So simply let me paste here now. Paste. Okay, click here. So simply let me click enter. Are you observing? Are you sure you want to continue connecting now? Simply type yes. So we are connected with, right? Okay, just a moment, wait. It needs, okay, are you observing Ubuntu now? It is connected. If you want, you can clear each and everything now. CLER clear. Okay, Are you getting the point, sir? Now you can type the command. Okay, na? For example, present working directory pwt. If you want, okay, you can create a folder also in this. Okay, na? Like make mkdir make directory, anything, na? For example, what, like jex. Okay, jex of. Okay, nothing more than this. You practice all the Linux command here, right? For example, ls command. Are you observing, sir? Okay. For example, you can create a file also like touch. Okay. For example, like test.java. Okay, na, sir? No problem. By default, maybe Python will be installed. Let me check. For example, Python hyphen version. Okay. Okay. Actually, Python 3. No, Python 3 hyphen version. Okay, sir, are you observing? You can type, for example, Python 3. Okay, you can practice your Python command also, like for example, x equals to print x. Okay, sir, let me exit. No problem. Sir, are you getting this point? I hope you can practice all the commands and all the things. So at the finally, you should do one thing. Simply, you should terminate, right? Simply, you should terminate. Okay, or you can stop, or you can terminate. I hope already you know how to terminate. Huh? Just a moment. Let me show this one also. Simply click here, instance, okay, then just a moment, instance, then what, boss? Okay, then simply, okay, now click here, select here instance state, and simply then terminate. I hope right now it will delete now. Okay, simply terminate and delete it now. Yes, sorry, observing, we are deleting this one. No problem, it will delete, don't worry. Okay, it needs some time. I hope you got this point. Any confusion to understand? Shutting down, right? I hope you got the point how to create a EC2 instance or Linux server using AWS account. If you face any kind of issues, please inform us. And do you want me to make a complete playlist of AWS from zero level to advanced level? Don't forget to inform us, and please share this platform with your friends, with your colleagues. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.